we're gonna head up to Walmart. We gotta pick some stuff up for the car, like some 3M tape to reattach the underglow switch for the interior. Currently we're in my 1992 F-150. It has the inline 6 motor in it. It's a great truck. It's a great motor. It's got some other issues, and ordered some parts for it the other day, and they'll be in. And we will be changing a bunch of stuff on this. I've already changed a lot. I'm going to make some reviews about the stuff I have changed. I'm going to be doing a tire review. I was supposed to do that today, but then the car stuff happened, and yeah, that's life. But so be expecting a tire review for a Mastercraft Corsa MXT. They've been pretty good tires, but I just figured, you know, if you guys want to come with me to driving up to Walmart, and so yeah. But basically, this video is just to show you what I've kind of done on the inside. I haven't done like hardly anything. I actually broke the dash piece because this steering wheel doesn't tilt, so it's a lot harder to get it off, and it's old, you know. So it broke. But I have the headlights on a toggle switch, and the taillights still on the same toggle switch. And if you want to know how I did that, you know, I can make a video about that. I got my light bulb on it, which I'll be making a video about my light bulb. Hell, I'll be doing a review on this actual switch panel, which I want to make a different switch panel and put it down there, just so, you know, my dash is, you know, nice and clean. I don't have to do any holes in my new dash bezel, because they're actually kind of expensive, like $200 new. But you know, that's ridiculous. I'm not gonna pay that. I'll find an electric truck and replace it. But every gauge works except my speedometer. I think it's just a speedometer cable, but you know, it's raining out, or it's not raining, but it's snowing outside. I'm not gonna do it in the cold. But it is full drive. There's some other stuff in here, just like a cup, my wallet, a bag, and stuff like that. But yeah, well, I just figured I'd let you guys know what's going to be happening with this truck. I'm going to be replacing the back drums, the actual drums. We're going to be replacing the back brake pads, the front rotors, the front brake pads. I already replaced an alternator, and I'll make a video about that. This does have a rebuilt Jasper transmission in it, which I'm not a fan of, and I did have some issues with it. But I changed half of the fluid and put a new gasket in it and put a new filter in it. We're still having the same issues. I let it sit for 6 months, and then, well, not 6 months, I let it sit for 2 months, and ended up fixing it. I think the solenoid was just stuck and gunked up with old transmission fluid. So we're doing a review about that stuff. I'm about to do a new power steering pump, new tie rods all the way around. Let's see, I might do ball joints on this if they're bad, and I might do wheel bearings if they're bad when I change the rotors. I'm gonna have to do some work to my hubs, the manual lockout hubs. They need some work done to them. I'm gonna be painting my 2 front rims, and hell, I might even be getting some aftermarket rims, and I might even get a lift eventually. I'm not sure. Just depends how this truck works out for me. I've had it for about a year now. It's given me a bunch of issues, but you know, I've already fixed 98% of them. So we'll see how it goes from here on out. It does have an open rear end, which I'm not a fan of, so I'm gonna have to get a locker for that. They're like $400. You know, it's not that bad. And then I don't know, we might turn it into a off-roader, we might turn it into a tow pig, we might turn it into a bunch of stuff. just depends what I need it for. But the inline 6s are great modals. You know, I haven't had any issues out of the modal except for it running rough. That is a whole story on itself. One was up here at Walmart, but just be looking forward to some videos on this truck, the car, the four-wheel, my motorcycle I just got a couple weeks ago. You know, just a bunch of stuff. Reviews, light bar reviews. I got some light pods in the house I'm going to put on this. So if you guys have any ideas, well, where I should put my light pods, like behind the grill, in the bumper, behind the, you know, in the back bumper, or anything like that, you know, just message me, comment on the video. But yeah, we're pulling into Walmart now. Oh, I'm also going to be making a front bumper for this. So we're looking, during the summer, we'll be looking for a bumper making video. Bless me. But we're up here at Walmart now. So remember to like, comment, subscribe. This is Do Everything. This wasn't really a do something video. It was more of like a tell you what's coming up video. But I figured I'd keep you guys in the loop. So yeah. And then we might do a 0 to 60 test in this ladle, but it's not gonna be fast at all. I already know it's not fast. It's a inline 6 modal. It wasn't made to go fast, it's made to tow. So, howdy, we're up at Walmart now. See you guys later.